And hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, I'm Rox-T. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys on how I made this. Okay, like, and if you want to know how I made this, you just stay tuned. Okay, so guys, I already have my frontal done with my latch hook. I DIY'd the frontal. If you want to see a video of how I made this, you can just click on the notification that pops up here and you can have a full detail of how I made this frontal. Okay, so I'll be making use of this dome mesh cap. I really love this dome cap because it's kind of elastic and you can feel comfortable while putting it on. So I will just put this in place on my mannequin and we will be measuring this. So I'll kind of be measuring the head circumference and all of that. Well, just so you know, I already have the measurement of my client down. So while I was measuring this, I kind of realized that my mannequin is having some plastic band on it, or it's like a sellotape, because I wrapped the hair of the mannequin into the sellotape, so it's kind of make dome cap big. So I stopped making use of the measurement I actually had. So I'm going to be folding my frontal into 2 equal parts so I can get the middle part. And once I have the middle part, guys, I'll also trace the middle part of my dome cap and I'll place the frontal on the dome cap and I'll pin that down. Okay, just so I have 2 equal parts, just the middle part of the frontal to the middle part of your mesh on the dome cap. Okay, and I'll be pinning down the rest of the parts also with my pin. And while I'm doing this, I made sure my frontal is a bit in front from my dome cap. So after I was done pinning this down, I went ahead to clip my frontal up so it doesn't get on my way while I'm sewing. And you get ready your needle and thread because you'll be sewing this down on your dome cap. While you're sewing this down on your dome cap, you need to make sure that you're just sewing on I don't know how to explain this. Just make sure you're not sewing on the elastic band on your dome cap. Okay, like this is the part I don't like, guys. When I'm trying to sew down and my thread just gets on the way and gets tangled, you know, I feel like a heavy task is being given to me. Okay, don't mind me. Well, that's by the way. So you can just sew down your frontal whichever way you feel it's comfortable. Just make sure you are sewing it down on a straight what is it called, make sure you're sewing this down properly, if that makes sense. Okay. All right, let's sew down, guys. Okay, while I was sewing this last part, guys, I made sure I give this a double knot so it doesn't come off all of a sudden while I'm trying to comb it. Okay, and if you know me well, you know I don't cut off my thread, so I just left my thread behind, and you can see the both sides for the ear parts. So I'm just going to cut off the dome cap beneath my lace frontal so we can have a brighter view of how our frontal looks. And make sure you are not cutting this close to the line that you've sewn down. I just gave in a little space while I was sewing this down. And yay, this is how our frontal is looking. Looks so beautiful. So I am having just 6 bundles left out of my 8 bundles. I told you guys in the previous video I made use of 1 bundle and quarter to make this lace frontal. So in total I'm having 6 bundle and half, if I'm not mistaken, to make this last part. So for the back I just used a single weft to sew this down. And while I proceeded to the middle, I doubled the weft so the hair can look very full. And just while I thought I was making progress, my light went off. Okay, my light went off. Okay, but there was nothing I could do about it. Okay, I was a bit in a hurry, so I couldn't stop. I was just busy making the video. So guys, please pardon me. And this is how the hair is looking. Wow, it looks so beautiful. I just went in with my hot comb, trying to give it a style to my taste. So I was trying to make this look like kind of like a bridal hairstyle, you know. Okay guys, I do hope this video meets you well. Thank you so much for staying with me till the end of this video. Please do well to hit the like button and subscribe to my channel, and do well to click on the notification bell also, just so you get notified whenever I upload a new video. And I love you guys. I'll see you all in my next video. Bye.